cable from the base of that tree way back there all the way to the corner of the eave. And as you can see, we have this pipe suspended. It is nicely balanced so that I can remove this and clean if need be. And here's the gizmo that we built the other day. I have one support in the middle just to take a little bit of load off the cable. Used in the trucking industry, they put them across the back of inside of a semi box, and you put that end on one wall and the other end on the other wall, and then you give it a crank and it tightens it up and it holds the loads in place. So it goes from the eave, as you saw, all the way through the trees and to the barrel. And now we officially have water going in. It's supposed to rain tonight, and if you don't think I'm excited, theory is that this will bring us fresh water. You can see it's pretty darn straight. I will replace most of these zip ties with 4-inch hose clamps. So this thing is designed to flex. Everything is able to move. I haven't hard fastened anything, including the connections of the pipes. They're held together via the pressure on the cable, and it'll move around a little bit if the storm or something. It shouldn't really move too much, but that is a beaut. And then there's the one support in the middle that's also happily swaying back and forth. Now I'm gonna go pour some water in the top and leave this camera here so you can see it gushing out of there for the first time ever. So I more or less put this in so that it would stop critters from climbing through here and going back up the pipe. But I don't know what kind of critters would want to do that, but I may have to take it out anyway because it might clog too quickly. The whole point of this filter is so that you don't have to clean it. As it hits that fine mesh, the chaff and garbage overflows and runs down the sides of the tank, and the pure water goes through the mesh, and away we go. So I shouldn't ever have to really do anything to clean this. And yeah, this is just to stop the varmints from running back up the pipe or whatever's going to be mucking around up here. Spiders. We got some big nasty spiders here. I don't really want them crawling through here and up into my pipe. I don't want to drink spider water. That's probably good for me. Anyways, so the whole idea from the beginning was to get water without any power. So it falls on the roof, it comes down the pipe. There's about a 12-inch difference between that eaves trough and the top of the bin. I tried to keep that as small of a number as possible so that we'd have maximum height on the tank and therefore maximum pressure in the kitchen. So yeah, she drops down via gravity to the tank, and there's still a few feet of height from the spigot down below to my kitchen, which should provide free pumpless water. I will probably have to hook up a little pump that fires my little hot water heater because it won't activate on 5 pounds or whatever this 10 pounds that this will provide maybe. So that's okay. For the most part, we'll have power free flowing water.